Welcome to next video in the C tutorials. In this video we are going to see this ternary or conditional operator. For this purpose I have taken three variables of int data type. Before going to the program, I want to clear the syntax of this conditional operator. So the conditional operator syntax is just question mark and this colon. So in order to perform the conditional operation with this, here at this blinking space, here you need to give condition or you need to take decision, like previously we have taken in if else statements. So if you not watch the video, go and watch that once. So here you need to give condition or you need to take decision. Whatever the decision you take, you must take the at first this place, then later after the question mark you need to give here. So if this decision is true, then this place at before the this colon, whatever we give here, so that is going to execute. So this is the execution part of for true expression, like you can say true for true expression, this part is going to execute. So if our decision is false, then after the semicolon, whatever we give after the semicolon, that is going to execute. So here it is a false expression. So this is the syntax of the conditional operator. So at very first, before the question mark, before this question symbol, you need to take decision. If the decision is true, then you need, so whatever expression you want to execute, you need to give here. If it is false, you need to give other side of the semicolon, means after the semicolon. So I think you have cleared the syntax of this conditional operator. Let us take an example. I have taken an example like create a program to find greater number among the two numbers. So let I am giving the values directly here only, like a equals to 10, something b equals to 2. Let for example purpose only I am taking these numbers. So I am giving c as like this, c equals to, I am using this conditional syntax. So you can see here how I am going to write. First, at very first step, we are going to take the decision, like in brackets if a is greater than b. So here I have taken the decision. After this, I am placing a question mark symbol. So I am placing here a question mark symbol. So if it is a true, I am assigning the value of c as a. Otherwise, if it is false, I am giving the value is b. So now I am giving the, now I am printing the value of c. Now value of c is among these two, which one is greater, that one is going to store in the variable of c. So now in this printf I am giving statement like percentage d is greater number. So after this I am giving the value of c. So what is the value is going to print means it is 10. So if I run the program, you can see here is the value of 10 is printing or not. See, you can check out here 10 is a greater number. So I think you have cleared this conditional operator. Let us make more experiment on this conditional operator. Here I am removing this thing. Here I am directly giving like if a is greater than b, printf. I am directly assigning the statement here only, like printf. Here I am giving value a. If it is true, then A is a greater number. Otherwise, here again I am giving another statement like printf. Now I am hiding this thing. So look at here, I am directly given this printf statements in this year only. So if the value of A is greater, then this statement is going to execute. Otherwise, if it's false, then this statement is going to execute. So if I run the program, you can see here 10 is greater number. So if I change the number, like here I am giving 12, you can check out here 12 is greater number. I think you have cleared this thing. Again, let us make a experiment, like you can call experiment number 2. Here again I am hiding this thing. Directly here I am giving the value, like let us unhide this thing. Directly here I am giving the expression like if A is greater than B, then question mark, then assign this percentage D as A, otherwise B. So here I am given directly the conditional statement inside the printf statement. You can check is this are working or not. So if I run the program, you can check out here 12 is greater.